This isn't just a house tour. This is what your next level house should look like. For those ready to move beyond the ordinary, this New York model offers a rare balance of sophistication, comfort, and smart investment right here in Añana. Here in Añana, you're surrounded by wide open spaces, resort-style amenities, and a location that keeps you seamlessly connected to Metro Manila. Some homes offer space, but New York model in Añana offers a complete lifestyle. Welcome to New York Model here in Añana, Tanza. Come and check out the actual turnover of New York Model here in Añana. So we have here the actual turnover, and we will also visit the dressed up unit of New York Model. So for the lot area, this is a typical lot of 125 square meters. So that's the inner lot, and your lot would be from this side. Yan, mula sa area na yan hanggang dito. So you have here a provision for 2-car garage. So this will be where you can place your cars, and kasya dito ang SUV and a sedan. So ang turnover nito is actually leveled soil. Yeah, medyo na madumi lang kasi nagka-grass cut sila. Leveled soil ang turnover natin. And then after turnover, you can actually put a roofing or a canopy. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong ipalagay. Okay, so let me just give you a quick look of the exterior or yung rear niya, yung likod. So this is still part of your property, and this is actually leveled soil, and this area, yung carport, sementado siya. So sa likod, malaki pa to. Yan, it's about 2 meters from the wall up to this wall. So yan, 2 meters pa yan. This is your laundry and service area sa likod. You can also put a dirty kitchen in here. So that's the look of the exterior. It's very beautiful, very modern. You have the freedom to design your interior, and for the exterior, any kind of expansion is limited to the sides and to the back. For the facade, for the front, very limited lang yung pwede mong gawin. Alright, so let's go and check out the inside. This is leveled soil. This is not included in the turnover. However, once you enter the property, this front porch, this is the actual turnover. So meron ka na ditong tiled front porch, and you have the main door that is painted metal finish. So painted steel door tayo. Again, the floor area is 130.35. Wow. Look at that beautiful space. I really like the openness of New York. Parang hindi siya masikip, hindi siya alanganin. Saktong-sakto talaga siya if you want to expand. If you want a big house, if you have a growing family, you have to consider New York kasi saktong-sakto lang talaga yung sukat niya. Hindi siya masikip, it's perfect for you. So for the flooring, this is your ground floor living area, your dining and your kitchen. For the flooring, it's 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. And for the kitchen, this is actually granite finish countertop with stainless sink, twin tub or double tub and gooseneck faucet, and you have an open kitchen. So you have the freedom actually to design your kitchen after turnover, and the cabinetry, yeah, you have that freedom as well. Now another thing, you can actually modify this kitchen to make it bigger. So later I will show you sa dress up kung paano mo ito mamomodify, because our dress up unit is exactly like that. So let me just give you a quick look. This is where we came from, and this is the living area. We have a bedroom on the ground floor. So kung kayo ay may elderly or retirees or may someone that needs to have a room on the ground floor that like an office, this is perfect for them. So we have a room on the ground floor. Ito yung kanyang door, panel door tayo, then may mga outlets tayo. We also have a provision for air conditioning unit. Now let's give a quick look of the common bathroom on the ground floor. So this is the common bath. May tiles na tayong kasama and complete bathroom fixtures. All our bathroom fixtures are HCG or the similar brand. And for the wet area, mataas yung ating, about 3/4 yung ating tiles. And meron din siyang provision for heater and this is HCG. May kasama na siyang soap holder and the whatnots. Maluwag siya, look at that. Medyo recessed siya. Maganda yung pagkakagawa nitong mga toilet dito sa Anya na talagang pinag-isipan. And you also have here the door that leads to your laundry area. Yung kaninang tiningnan natin. Ang sarap ng hangin dito sa Anyana, guys. If you're looking for a place to settle down, to unwind, away from the bustle and hustle of the city, you have to consider Anyana kasi hindi pa sobrang mahal ng properties at napakaganda rin ng amenities. Now, moving along, we have here the stairs going to your second floor. This is the modern stairs. You can actually improve this. Sa iba, ang ginagawang tempered glass, and they make this area under the stairs as a storage area. So come check out the second floor. So made of steel hand railings, metal hand railings, and you have a hardwood flooring for the stairs. Look at the space. Ang taas ng ating ceiling on the second floor. Pwede ka pang maglagay ng chandelier here. And, tingnan natin yung itaas. This is your slab. Makapal yung slab niya. And, may tiles na siya. It's a premium vinyl. And, this is your second floor. You have 3 big bedrooms. Yan. So, on the second floor, ito yung kanyang itsura. Ito yung ating common bathroom, mas maluwag na siya. Similar pa rin yung turnover ng finishes sa second floor with the ground floor. And you have a very nice hallway na hindi masikip. It's about 2 meters. Sorry, it's about 1.5 meters. And for the first bedroom, panel door tayo. And wow, I love this. Ang aliwalas, malalaki kasi yung mga bintana natin. So if you have kids, it's perfect for your kids. Tag-isa sila ng kwarto. We have 3 big rooms on the second floor. You have a provision for aircon. And the next room, this is room number... Yan, ito yung isang kwarto. So kung may isang lalaki at babae kayong anak, isang kwarto na sila. Meron din siyang provision for aircon at may mga outlets na tayo. For each room, panel door, and finally, we have the beautiful master bedroom. Wow! I love this. This is really a really nice house. No, hindi masyadong masikip yung master. At the same time, it comes with its own toilet and bath and suite siya. Look at this. That's the space of your own bathroom. It's very nice, very private. Hindi mo kailangan lumabas para magbanyo. At ang ganda nitong panoramic window. Look at the window. It gives natural light and good ventilation for your master bedroom. And connected to your master bedroom, you have your balcony. So, metal steel door din yung ating balcony and very nice din yung space niya. May tiles na rin siyang kasama at kasama na itong painted steel hand railing. So, that's the actual look or the actual turnover of New York Model. So, let's go and check out the dress-up unit. Welcome to New York Model. This is the dress-up unit naman. So, right now, we have the dress-up unit na meron na siyang kasamang roof canopy for the carport. Ang ganda talaga ng New York, no? I really like the design. It's very open, very modern, very... the color palette is giving luxury talaga. So, let's go check out the inside kung paano siya dinesignan, kung paano siya na-modify. Yun naman kasi yung importante. Kung mahilig kayo mag-garden, you can actually copy this one. Ang ganda, laki pa ng space. Doon pa sa may gilid ng carport, yung kung isa lang yung sasakyan mo, pwede ka rin mag-garden doon. So, wala naman na bago. We also have 2 colors for New York actually. We have the gray and the mustard yellow. So, wow! Look at this space. It's so pretty. Alam ba ninyo, Anyana is one of the most luxurious community here in Cavite right now. in the south of Cavite. So, if you are really interested, you are not just buying a house, you are buying a lifestyle here. So, this is the living area. Hindi siya masikip. It's just perfect for a small family or a growing family. Kung kayo ay a family of 4 or 5, this is perfect for you. You can even put here your entertainment, infotainment, yan, entertainment. Ito yung question kanina. For the kitchen, how can I improve? So this is what I'm telling you na yung bintana dito, you can actually close it and you can improve your kitchen by extending this and turning this into an L-type kitchen. Look at that. Okay, dadalhin ko kayo mas malapit pa. Wow. Diba? It's so pretty. And pwede ka maglagay ng range hood and you can even copy this, yung mga cabinets niya. All of these is the same house na pinakita ko kanina. Look at that. You have a very nicely spaced table, dining table, which can perfectly fit a 6-seater or 8-seater dining set. Diba? So let me show you the bathroom, kung paano nila pinaganda. From the simple bathroom into a top-notch, luxurious bathroom. So pretty. Pinalagyan niya actually ng glass partition or glass shower enclosure, and yung mga tiles, you can actually change this into floor to ceiling. Diba? So, for the back, wala masyadong nabago dito. Still the same. Nandiyan lang yung mga aircon, mga outdoor unit. But it's basically still the same. Yan. Let me show you the stairs and the room on the ground floor. Now, for the room on the ground floor, wow, look at that space. Trivia lang, itong kama na to, this is a queen-size bed and it perfectly fit this room on the ground floor. So if you will turn this into a mini office or a room like it is now, perfect talaga, magandang maganda. And you still have enough space to move around. Taas ang ating floor to ceiling, right? So let's check out the second floor. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na you can change the hand railings into a glass one to make it more social, diba? So let's check out the second floor. Tinanggal niya yung chandelier but naglagay naman siya ng glass installation, which is really nice. The glass makes that illusion na mas malaki yung space, mas malaki yung bahay. And it works, right? So on the second floor, you have here the 3 rooms. So the first room, kinonvert niya into a mini office or a small library or an office or a den. And this is the common bathroom on the second floor. Actually, I have an idea for this part. Kung marami kang sapatos, pwede mo itong gawing a shoe cabinet or a shoe rack. Diba? That's an idea. Ako lang nakaisip kasi marami sapatos. Anyway, moving forward, this is the 2 rooms. So ito for the kids or for the teenagers. Yan, meron kang double-sized bed, double bed. And still have a cabinet over here. Maluwag pa yung space. Mataas siya. And finally, the master bedroom. Wow, so pretty. Ang ganda pag meron pang mga cortina, no? It adds to the drama. Very nice. It softens the light that comes in. At the same time, may konting privacy since glass to. At hindi mo kailangan i-tint yung glass mo. Just put some draperies, mga white draperies. Perfect na yan. And you have here the master toilet and bath, which is really nice. Meron din siyang shower enclosure. Hindi siya masikip, saktong-sakto lang. And last, but definitely not the least, the balcony. Ayan. So guys, we still have unavailable units for New York. If you are interested in this house model, do message me so we can schedule a viewing. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!